All right, so I heard lots of discussion that this was a right triangle. How do you know this is a right triangle? I didn't even put any numbers. Don't you need those numbers, those degrees, to know what kind of triangle this is? Alyssa?
No, because if the angle forms a perfect square, then you know it's a right triangle.
Good, so it has what symbol there? It looks like a square, and that is the right angle symbol. So I just know, just by looking at that one that quickly, that it is a right angle triangle. All right, number 3. Draw it and label it. Tell me, according to the angles, what kind of triangle is this? Number 3. Nope, not out loud. Sorry. I didn't mean out loud for that one. Number 3, I want you to post your answer on recent activity. With your answer, I want you to have a complete sentence and explanation. I want you to PQA. I want you to use your math words. Saying because that's the answer is not going to be a good explanation. You need to have your capital letter. You need to have your punctuation in detailed words. What angle is number 3 and why? With a detailed explanation. Yes, use math words. You never have to ask to use math words. You just know to do that. Make sure you guys turn those notifications off.
Good.
After you have typed your explanation, I want you to view some friends' explanations. And I want you to have one in mind that really stands out to you, that they PQA'd, they had a capital letter, they had punctuation, they used math words.
Oh, we're going on.
All right, raise your hand and tell me somebody's explanation. And it doesn't have to be your own. This is just an explanation that you thought, man, maybe I could have done that in my explanation. I really like the way they worded that. It sounded very professional. They had their math words.
Now I remember.
Megan, share one with me. Very nice. So they think it's a cute, Brooklyn. Max? Because all of the angles are less than 90. Very nice. Being those are all less than 90, what else could you tell me if we were looking at sides? Let's try and recall some of our sides. What kind of triangle is that going to be also, Malia?
It said that they are all 30 degrees, which is less than 90.
Yes, so it's an acute triangle, but what if we were looking at our sides like yesterday? What kind of triangle is that going to be then, Raina?
Equilateral.
Equilateral. All right, number 4. Number 4, I'm only giving you one angle on this one. I'm not giving you what the other angles are. If you need to stand up, you can. I'm only giving you one angle. iPads are closed and put away.
Is that 110?
A 110.
Yeah.
If I have it on the board, you should have it in your math notebook. All right, tell me what kind of triangle is this according to our angles? We're classifying just by angles. Ben, what kind of triangle is this? Obtuse. And I always think of really big for obtuse. It's got that B for big in it. How do you know obtuse? How do you know that? Maverick?
It has to be more than 90 degrees.
Okay, so it has an angle that's more than 90. But what about the fact that it didn't give me what the other two angles? What if this angle, though, is 25 right here? That one's less than 90, so that angle is acute. Why wouldn't this triangle be obtuse and acute? Kara?
Because all the angles have to be more than 90 degrees.
So to be obtuse, they all have to be more than 90?
No.
So is this triangle acute then? Because I have a little angle over here, it's less than 90. Is this acute then? Tell somebody next to you. Talk about it. Mask on.
Acute is less than acute like that. Wait, because it's single angle. It's a single angle, so it's one specific.
Mason, tell me about it.
Yes, because
Yes, what?
yes, it is obtuse.
It's obtuse, okay.
Because one is greater, and if you add them all together, it would equal 180.
Okay, so when I add all these up, it would equal 180, and this one angle is obtuse, so that makes this whole triangle obtuse,
Yes.
even though these other two are going to be acute probably?
Yes.
Nailed it. Okay, you only need one obtuse angle. That's why on this one, they only gave you one angle. It does not matter what these other two are going to be. It only took one obtuse angle to make that whole triangle obtuse. Okay? All right. Ladies and gentlemen,
I know that.
your math homework tonight is an I Know It math assignment. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you missed one on I Know It math, should you quickly skip to the next one?
No.
What do you need to look at then? Mason?
Read the definition and see why you got it wrong.
Good. So you scroll down to see the definition, and it tells you then why you missed it so you don't miss the next one? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I Know It math. Go ahead. I'm going to give you guys a couple minutes of work time.